Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a slow motion video and pan and zoom on a specific moment that you want. So in this video I'll be using Movavi video software. As you can see, I already dragged the clip into the time frame here. First, what we want to do is we want to find out where is the specific moment that we want. So let us play the video from the beginning. Okay, this is Pangolia. It's played by First Blood.
Radiant's bottom tower is under attack.
Okay,
Radiant's bottom
here.
tower has fallen.
And Mipo got stunned by Ogre. And Pangolia coming with his ultimate and helped by Shadow Shaman. And Mipo just got destroyed. Ooh, what an amazing Pangolia skill by First Blood. Okay, let us continue with the tutorial here. Now I got the specific moment that I want, so let us split it. Okay, let me check. Okay, if you very difficult to select the time frame, actually you can scale it, so that easier for you to select or to split it. So I'm going to split when the power is started to roll. Okay, here. Okay, I'm going to split here, and then after the meeple got destroyed. Okay, here. I think here will be good enough. Okay, now you got the the specific moment. You just copy and paste to the end. You just paste to the end, and then what you're going to do next is you right click under the tools, you go to slow motion. Normally people will use 20 to 30%, but here I will putting maybe 25%. Okay, let us try. Okay, let us try. Oh yeah, okay, I think this is good enough. Okay, the next thing is what we're going to do is we're going to zoom that moment. So there's a pan and zoom. Okay. Okay. I should be zooming here. Okay. Oh. Okay. I need to reposition the zooming part. Okay. Okay. Should test from here. Okay, let us play the video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave if you have any comments.